everyone, Valerian speaking, and this is a quick report on these two Mijia 360 camera. Lately, one has been malfunctioning and stuck on the boot loop, so I tried to swap the SD card just in case one is dead or infected with virus or something like that. And check this out. So I turn on the faulty adapter that comes with the camera and the LED stays orange. I think this is one of the booting step of this camera, and at first I thought there must be a problem with the firmware, so I browsed a bit, and as I found the forum and dig deeper, one comment actually tells us to change the adapter. Meanwhile, the second camera is connected to this generic adapter along with the normal charging cable, and you can see the light is blue. That means this camera is working normally. And if we swap the adapters like this, the camera on the left will start the normal booting procedure of turning around. Meanwhile, the light of the camera on our right will stay yellow and the camera will do nothing. In conclusion, you should try to swap the SD card or the adapter first before trying the risky stuff, because things can get messy. That's all from me. Thank you and good luck.